Hello. It's been a year. I'm I'm back. I took a very long break. It's so weird to look at this thing and not at the actual camera. But hello. I am Oliver and this is the channel Olive for Life. Welcome back. It has been so long. I have changed so much. I've grown out my hair. I rewatched all my old videos. My hair looked absolutely disgusting. It was so short and I had no bangs. I just had this weird, sorry, I have a cough. This weird I had like this. Also my hair was way lighter. Now it's dark. But to save some time, we're just going to get right into the video. Thank you for all of those who are subscribed. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe in please subscribe for more quality content from me like this. I swear my videos are getting better. And also leave a like if you enjoyed this video and if you found it useful somehow. I don't have any like professional lighting or like anything. I have a mirror right here and I have this camera to watch while I work. But hopefully you all enjoy the video. And intro. Anyway, for those of you who are confused, yes, I do have a beauty routine. Do not judge me, please. But this is what I do. I have very dark circles today. I'm gonna fix that. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll show you all the. Oh, there's my dog. I'm gonna tilt the camera. Hello. Okay. Anyway, let's get started. First of all, what I usually start off with is a very nice concealer. I have this concealer right here. It's literally called Bye Bye Under Eye. It's for your under eyes. Really great stuff right here. This stuff is actually a miracle, but I don't know how you're supposed to apply it, but I apply it like straight from the cap. Okay, that didn't go off very much. Okay. That looks fun. It looks really fun. But that's how much you apply. Right there. And and you use this brush. I use this brush. This brush is... It's Cosmetic? Okay, it's IT Cosmetics. Heavenly Luxe. Complexion Perfection. Nice. I never actually paid attention to what brand these things were. But... that's how you brush it out. At least I hope that's how you brush it out. But that's how I always brush it out. Or I just use my finger when I'm in like a rush. How's the mirror look? Okay. I'm gonna blend it out in the mirror. Alright. That's fine. That is fine. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna... Actually, I apply more. I think it's for your under eyes, but I apply some, like, right up here. I apply that little shape right here, and I apply a little tip on the nose. And... Oh, there's this ugly little guy right here. I'm just gonna cover him up right there. And yeah, I kind of just blend that out. I'm gonna use the big side of the brush for this little guy. Wow, disappeared. Absolutely disappeared. This stuff is amazing, guys. It's not going to help with texture, because no makeup helps with texture. Camera is a lifesaver for that. It's like storming outside. But, yeah. I have to look at myself, and I can't look at the camera, but I have to look at the camera, like, when I'm talking to you guys. I have to, like, blend it out with my nose. It doesn't blend it out with my nose. I'm not doing... Why is my forehead so pink? I don't want to do my forehead because my hair covers my forehead, which is nice. I have a lot of hair. I don't like getting my hair cut. I just like having a lot of hair. But here's the thing. I don't know if there's like an order you're supposed to do your makeup in, but this is my order, okay? Obviously, you do concealer first. I don't use foundation because, like, I don't like using foundation. Here's the thing. I'm not a makeup expert, but I feel like concealer and foundation are like the same thing. Except I like this concealer more than I like foundation. So that's how I roll. Next, I don't really do contour because I don't know how to do contour. But I move on to my eyes. I use this Ulta Beauty cream eyeshadow. It says it's a liner, but you don't use this as a liner, I swear. You're about to find out. I can't see myself like in the... You know what? I'm going to do this, and we're going to come back and done. It's very subtle, but, like, I don't, like, put... grammar. I don't like putting, like, extravagant eyeshadow on because I know if I will, because this has happened to me before, people will ask me, like, do you do drag? And I'm just like, no, I don't do drag. It's fine if you do drag. Like, I love I love watching, like, RuPaul's Drag Race. But I don't do drag. Next product I'm going to use is this. Okay. It's a lip paint. I never realized this was a lip paint. I thought this was like a liquid lipstick. But I kind of I don't use it on my lips. I don't like using color on my lips. This is my beauty routine, okay? But like if you want to kind of... I use it as like a little blush. That might be a little too much, but... We'll see. If it's not, I can... If it is, I'm going to cover it up with concealer. Anyway, I just use my finger. I remember I kind of drew little fake freckles on my face. Like, after I put, like, a bunch of... Okay, that looks like a lot. It looks like a lot at first, but once you blend it out, I swear, it gets better. I swear. That side doesn't look that bad. Here's the thing, I kind of, like, harshly rub my face. I don't think I'm supposed to do that, but... Again, my beauty routine, not yours. Although, take what you need from this. Ooh. Okay. In the mirror, it doesn't look too bad. In the camera, it looks kind of bad, but I think I just have to blend it out more. Especially this side. Okay. Looks uneven, but that's completely fine. It doesn't have to be even. It doesn't have to be even. I don't know. Did I mess it up? It looks good, like, from far away, but, like, up close, it kind of looks messy. But we're going to leave it at that. Okay. Next. Eyeliner. Love wearing eyeliner. I don't know why. You know what? I was gonna do brows, but, like, my brows look okay. They look fine. I don't want to do my brows. Okay? I don't want to do them. So, I've never done brows in a camera, or not brows, eyeliner in a camera before. So if it goes awful, if it doesn't go well, I'm gonna have to do it off camera, and you'll never know how I did my eyeliner. My dog is literally right here at my feet. So, all right, let's see how this goes. This is a very awkward angle for me. We'll see what we can do with that. Don't... Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. That's fine. It looks pretty even. Oh god. I'm gonna have to connect it off camera. Oh wait, no, I can just do it in the mirror over here. Hold up. Is that good? Whoa. I don't think I've ever done that before. That is a thick wing. That is a really thick wing. I think that's good. Hold up. I'm gonna do my other eye off camera. I don't know how I feel about that. But yeah. And other eye done. Does not look even, but oh shoot, I blinked. Frick. I'm not gonna cuss on YouTube because demonetization. but I would if I could. I should have waited for it to dry. Now I have that, and I'm gonna have to fix it. Hold up. Problem fixed. We're almost done. We just need 2 more steps, and then perfection. Also, my eyes look brown in this camera. Or they look hazel. They kind of look green almost. But I assure you, my eyes are blue. Although I don't know if it's the camera or something else, but it's something. So, next we apply the lashes. I know these close-ups of my eye are probably not that satisfying to my viewers, but I assure you. Do I do the other one in the mirror? Can I just awkwardly hold my hand like this? I'm not ambidextrous. So, okay. Done. Okay. I want to do something with my eyeliner because I always do this. I'm actually going to recreate a look I did yesterday where, damn, my hands. Shoot, I didn't mean to get this dirty. Oh well. Heart. I'm going to do hearts because I like hearts. I'm going to do a round. I'm going to do a round. Good. Around. Oh shoot, I blinked and it now looks awful. Trust the process. Trust the process. What was that? Nice. Okay. This one looks good from far away. This one looks really good up close. And they kind of look different. But I think this one is more of a tip, so I'm going to add that. Good enough. Good enough. Okay. Final step. I don't do contour, and I would have done contour already, so final step. This lip gloss. Non-tinted lip gloss, because I don't like putting color on my lips. Is that the same for like a lot of people? I just don't like putting color on my lips. It's probably a problem with me, not you. So, yeah. This is a clear, shiny lip gloss. And I don't know where it's from, so you just do this. I'm gonna stare right at you guys while I apply this. Okay. Ah. I assure you, it's way shinier. Okay. Don't get a good close-up of my face. I look better from back here. And that is the complete look. I hope to match it with my hair because, fun fact, unless there's like some like issues or with scheduling or, you know, all that, I will be getting my hair dyed pink and I will be doing this makeup look with it and wearing this hoodie. So, fun fact, I have family at my house. I do not live alone, so that is a nightmare. But full look right here. Oliver's Beauty Secrets and tips for y'all. Full makeup tutorial and I guess reintroduction. I'm back. Not maybe as a full-time YouTuber, if I have enough time on my hands. But I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you all will check out all my other content. I do like reaction videos, I think. So last time I checked, which was about a year ago, but last time I checked, I did reaction videos. I did like an Oklahoma vlog. There's not really much on my channel, but like, check it out anyway. Anyway, and please drop a like on the video if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment saying that you subscribed or that you enjoyed my makeup secrets and totally like this look, because I honestly look. You know what? And also leave a comment if you would like me to see me do my nails, because my nails are pretty boring and bland right now. I'm trying to grow them out, but it does take some time. So if you want like a shorty nail paint job, then I will give that to you. And I hope you all just really enjoyed the video. It feels good to be back. It feels good to be filming videos again. I don't really know where I'm gonna go with my content, but also drop a like and a comment on that too. You know, why did I say drop a like? Don't know. Drop a comment seeing what content you want me to do, and if you want me to paint my nails. So, see y'all next time. Bye.